Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, A Man and His Hobbies. Today we're going to try out the active track on the DJI Air3s. Okay, I would like for you all to let me know why every one of these attempts failed. At the end, I will show you the settings in the remote so you can see where the settings are, and I'll show you what I changed them to. And please let me know, leave a comment, let me know what you think I'm doing wrong or what I can change to make this work better. Now here, I didn't figure this would work, but I also figured, why not? Let's give it a shot. But you can see, you can barely see the deuce and a half down there in the trees, in the shade. It could see it and it would start, but it knew it couldn't do it. Now here, I'm out here on the street, perfect light. Yes, the deuce is pretty well camouflaged on the road, but it's tracking it, or at least the camera is, and it's slightly moving, but it quickly loses it. Why? What am I doing wrong? We're going to try it again. It can see the deuce. It tracks it, looking good. So I'm going to try to move. It looks like we're going to hold on to it. We're kind of tracking. Looks like we're moving up. No, we're just tracking. We're not moving up. We're not even getting closer to it. We're not even moving. What is wrong? Here, I'm getting aggravated. It's not working. I can see that it's in a shaded spot. I even tried the 3x zoom and it looked like it was gonna get it. We're actually moving. Looks like we're tracking. Looks like this time maybe it's going to work. You see a car's coming. I'm waiting for the car to go by, and here we go. We're tracking it, we're following it, all is looking good. It looks like I finally figured something out. The 3x camera is going to get it. And here we go. Like I said, we're still tracking, we're still following, and then it's slowly hanging back. Not tracking anymore. Again, why? Alright, so here's the settings. I did set inner radius of 62 feet to 164 feet. Is that too much? Inner height of 52.5 feet and outer height of 164 feet. Are those too much or not enough, or what? The camera motion was set to normal. Should I have set it to fast? I had near ground flight turned on, which that shouldn't have been. So anyway, I just turned that off. I'm going to leave my inner height and outer height the same, and I'm going to change my outer radius. I'm going to move that down a little bit. I'm going to move my inner radius to 29 feet and my outer radius to 65 feet. Let me know in the comments if you think that's going to work. So if you like this content, please hit that like button and subscribe. That way you can stay up to date, stay tuned to my upcoming videos. Maybe sooner or later I'll get this darn active track to work for me. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see y'all in the next video.